Hello, my name is Quentin Tor from Leafcloud, and today I want to show you how to log into your instance using a key pair. If you don't know how to create an instance yet, you can go to the link in the description. That's a tutorial on how to create an instance. So if you go to the Leafcloud documentation at docs.leaf.cloud and then go to Getting Started Connecting to your instance, you'll see this command here and you want to copy it. Then you want to go to your terminal and paste the command. Once you've done that, you want to edit it to make it work. So this will be the path to your private key on your computer. This will be the name of the OS you're using on the instance. And the last one will be your instance's IP address. You can find the IP address by going to your instances and copying the IP address right here. Then you can paste it in the terminal. Now you want to run this command. The first time it's going to ask you this and you want to type in yes. If it gives you this error, you want to type in chmod 600 and then the path to your key. Then you want to try it again. Now you've logged into your instance. It was that simple. Now you know how to log into your instance using a key pair. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any other questions, you can leave them in the comments and we'll try our best to answer them. Bye!